We hunted for Dkng before the market opened. We said the price will gravitate around the $12.62 and went until almost the $14.62 and the price went down. Guess what? Because the short seller came in. We're gonna discuss the game plan for today, how to buy the bottom to know the price will squeeze for some stocks, because now when the market is red, we have to build a strategy. If you just buy and hold, you're gonna lose money in this kind of current condition of the market. Last 2 years, some people actually make a lot of money, but they lose it all. This is the worst case scenario, to have million in account, then watch them disappear. Let's build our strategy. Today, we're gonna talk about the stock that will squeeze, the stock that we're gonna hunt for nearing the bottom, and some stocks we're gonna short because there's some weakness. And of course, we don't have to fight the short sellers. We just short with them. Never fight the wave, however, serve it. So let's get right to it and discuss first off Dkng. As we said, today we discussed Dkng, the bottom for it, because we always do pre-market update on our Patreon. When we said the bottom for Dkng for today was $12.62, and we didn't even consolidate, the price just went higher because this is price value where the market maker bought, and here where the short seller actually came in. So here we take our profit. Actually suggested to take profit around the $13.69, even before the $14.62, and now the price going down. So what's the game plan? Of course, the $14.62 is the breakout zone for Dkng. Otherwise, the price will continue to go down next time around the $10.64. This is the bottom for Dkng if we don't hold this current support around the $12.62. You see here, we have this ascending line will mark the reversal. Otherwise, the price will continue to go down. You see this huge short just opened. You know why? Because if we go in a smaller picture, let me just show you. Boom, we just hit our AMA perfectly and the price went down. So now we need the confirmation for breaking for this ascending line in order to have a green light for the bull actually have the strength again to around the $21, the $21.15, then the $23.90. Next up we have HKD. Oh man, this stock is jumped before almost 2000%, and the short seller just came in, shorted. The price again went up around our support, the 46, and went 600%. And guess what? Today we got alerted again. We get at least today around the 55, and the profit taken next should be the 69, and the ultimate one for my opinion around this AMA, the 113. So watch out, now the price is consolidating up, found support around the 37, and now we have a struggle to overcome this AMA around the 52 and 53 mark area. So we'll be extremely careful now because everything goes. We have a confirmed support around the 37. So let me just turn this green to red, and this is yeah, let me just take this off. So yeah, we have another squeeze around the 53.67 to go around the profit taking 69. So the bottom should be now to hold and have another squeeze is the 37, and the profit taking should be the 69. After that, the $100 for HKD. Let me just go for the short squeeze stocks that on my list. We have Billy is going down again. This stock is really weak. I already like weak stocks because we can short it. You don't have to buy it. You know why is weak? Because the price have mini gap here. We have one gap around the 16, and we have another gap around the 14, and we had another gap here around the 13, and the price is still continue to go down. Today we tried to overcome the 13.33, we didn't, and now we closing below the 13, important support, and the price will continue to go down nearing the $11.87. Let me just go on my CFD account, just put it here, $11.88. So this will be 2000. Stop loss, let me just put a stop loss, should be around the 13.33. Let me just put this perfect 13.33. Let me just, yeah, 902,000 profit taken. Let me just confirm and just forget about it. Next one we have on our short squeeze stocks that have on my list, we have PayPal. So PayPal is still gravitating down, from my opinion, and we have an important channel here for PayPal. If we don't overcome the 90 for PayPal, 90.80 here in this channel, we continue to go down first around the 77 and the 68. So PayPal is weak now. The volume is 9 million. Just be careful. If you want to short the stock, you have to watch out for the volume, because if the volume is low, when you put the profit taken or stop loss, usually it never hit the profit taken exactly, or because we have a wider spread. So I suggest always watch out for volume. 9 million is good. So now we testing our bottom area from this channel from below. So we might have a buying pressure to take us the next days around the 90, and 90 would be a nice important resistant area for PayPal to go again around the 77. So let me just open a short position for PayPal. Sell limit order. So what means sell limit order is mean we don't short it right now, but we bought an order from now, sell limit order. When the price go higher around this gap that will be filled around the 89, the price will be triggered for us, then the price will go down. So let me just put the sell limit order around the 89.40. Profit taken should be around the 77, and stop loss should be around the 92.55. And the price that will be trigger is 89.40. Okay, now it's perfect. Let me just go on my list again and go for the stocks on my list. mmtlp, as we predicted before in our live streaming, we got a question for this stock from our hunters and suggest where the price will go, as suggest that the price will overcome the $3.47, and that's what happened. The price jumped again. Last time we predicted that the price will gap and go around the $3.47. We have double top, then the price jump again, and we did almost 18%. So this is really good chart for me. Accumulation, squeeze, then accumulation, then squeeze, and now again accumulation, and we're gonna have a squeeze around the $4.52 next time. Let me just put another alert. So this is a really easy trade for us. If we broke this level, I think tomorrow this level will be broken again with a little gap if we hold above the $3.47. Blue chip company Tesla still below the 234, going toward the 208. I'm gonna load up for Tesla. This will be a really nice bottom to buy Tesla at. For Nvidia as well, the 100 will be a really good bottom to buy Nvidia, Tesla, and NIO, of course, the $10. Again, if you want to load up on those stocks with free stocks, of course you can on Momo, because here you can win 15 free stocks. Now we have Apple. You can win it 6 hours left in order to get your free share of Apple. And the biggest one is AZO, of course. If you want AZO, you can actually have 2,281, because this is the price of the stock, and the least one is Fuel Energy. So seek this opportunity and use the exclusive link in the comment section below. Notification will pop up here, will take you directly to open an account with Momo. Let me just go back and check the stock that on our list. We have RVPH, jumped 20%. Last time we talked about this stock, we have this ascending line, and we suggest we're gonna have a breakout. Last earning was good. compared for the earning in March. Now we have a better earning, so better outlook and growth for this stock. That's why the price went up. We hit resistance around the $3. Now we broke the $3 and going toward the $3.91, doing great. The volume is around the 1 million, not that bad. So let me just do one thing, is just put this around the $3, which is our support. Profit taking should be the $3.90 for this stock, and the other breakout zone will be around let me just, oh man, this is a bit far, around the $6. No. We have to take our profit first around the $4.50, then the other one around the $5.90 for this stock. This aprn, lastly, went to our support and still struggling to hold. Look what's going on. The price is still accumulating right after our support, the $2.29. If we continue to accumulate, it means there is another price action for aprn to go higher. Look what's happened today. Today we went higher and almost retested our resistance that we talked about around the orange line, the $2.82 or 85. Yeah, it was today, and the price went low. Let me just go back. You see the price went and gapped up when the market opened. We did almost 16%. Then the price went down. So aprn hit the scan for the most gainers here, then vanished. I said, what's going on? Where aprn? So when I check it, yeah, it went down to retest our support. That's why aprn going down around the $2.29. So it's clear to me that the $2.85 is our resistance, and now we need to hold the $2.20 in order to break the $2.85, then going to the profit taking around the $3.94 and the $3.92. Make sure to always take profit on the way. And this is really scary because this is the double bottom for aprn. Any price break this level of support, the $2.29, I will be extremely careful because we might see the $1 for aprn in the coming days. 3rd of October, yeah, huge selling pressure opened, and the price went almost 60% down for aprn. We didn't hold the $3.90 or the $4. That's why the price continued to dive down around the $2.40. So this should be the bottom in order to have two profit taken, at least the $3.40 and the $3.90 before the $4, because the $4 is a huge selling pressure just opened. So we have to test it first, then accumulate again to have another support higher, then break it. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. We're gonna do update for crypto because there's something going on for them, and there's a turning point for crypto and bottoms that we're gonna buy the dip for. So see you in the next update.